Good morning.
You know what? It's time for another adventure. Every morning we come out on this balcony and we say good morning and that it's time for adventure. But it's always the truth.
It is true.
So we're starting off this morning, I think, checking out Parrot Mountain.
Animals!
Oh my gosh, birds.
Feathered kind.
Yes.
And you can hold them.
Yes, and there's cars on the road. But, and then I guess that's how we're going to start. So we're going to do that, and then we'll get some lunch. I think we got Cade's Cove worked into our plan for today.
We have friends coming to stay with us as well, so we're excited to see them again. You'll see them too.
I know. All right, let's get our adventure rolling.
Yep. All right.
Bye. We have arrived. When they say mountain, they're not kidding. The driveway up here was no joke. Yeah, you get birds right here at the entrance.
Oh, it's the chipmunk is making a crazy noise.
Yeah, he's making the noise. He's a little loud dude.
I don't think I've ever seen a chipmunk.
Sir, he was a little shy. I zoomed in on him and he's like, bye. Apparently the birds are awake today.
Before you even go inside.
Bird jokes, I know. All right, well, we're going to start over here at what is called the entrance, because that makes sense. Wow. What in the world?
Alarm. Yeah.
I don't know if I want to go here anymore. All right, 10:08. They've come to start taking tickets.
Yeah.
All right. We are in.
I have a giant parrot stamped on my hand.
Yes. We are legit.
That'll be beautiful all day.
Y'all are some talkative. Wow.
This one is sassy.
Do a little sassy dance. A booty shaking. Oh, the bird alarm has sounded.
That's a crow. Hello.
Just follow your nose. I do love pie.
Magpie Jay.
They know me so well.
What kind of pie?
Magpie, duh. Oh, this is the more of like the toucan from the cereal box of my youth.
It's a toucan.
Pikachu through here.
It's a toucan.
Foggy glasses.
Yeah.
Bird action.
It's chilly. It's the first nice fall day we've had. So.
Yeah, the weather has turned chilly and I love it.
I appreciate it.
Fall has fallen.
Yay!
Alright, bird spin. Well, bird cage spin. There's more pie. I love African pie as well. African pie crow. Oh, hey, let's look at him. Pie.
And then he's on the inside. And he's like, okay, you're done.
Yeah, it looks like we're approaching an aviary down here. Dun, dun, dun. These guys are making menacing noises.
A crowned crane.
Ooh, a crowned crane.
Yeah, there's a peacock.
Welcome to the aviary of doom. I just ran into a tree.
That was pretty big by my head, whatever. I've seen this movie before.
Yes. Is that a monkey?
It's imitating a monkey. I think this is like the attack birds.
Yeah, this is not the ones that come land on you and eat nectar. That must be somewhere else. So this is the land of attack birds. Goodbye, friendos. Please do not tease birds. That's important.
All jewelry.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we just got a souvenir picture taken. This is the area where you can buy food to feed to the birds. Oh.
It was literally one of my arms.
Takes quarters, and they do have a change machine over there, so that's cool. Yeah, they got the machine over here too. We'll start off feeding the little baby ones.
It's just gentle. Aww. See, they're super gentle. You want them too? Can I put it in my pocket?
Yeah, pocket full of birdseed.
Well, okay, this one's super friendly.
Yeah, you made a good friend.
It's like I'm just gonna climb on you and eat because I'm hungry. Oh, this one's excited for food. Oh, hello. Did you do that to you? Hello. Yeah,
You made a friend? You made a really good friend. Did you put seeds in your hair? Ma'am.
Honey.
where is it?
I mean, I'm pretty sure he's on you. Come here. I'm trying to entice him away, but it's not working.
There you go.
Boy,
Bye,
your hair is more delicious than these seeds, apparently.
He was eating my hair.
I know.
Yeah.
Mine kept walking up my face.
Oh, weird.
Got any treats in there? You find something?
Okay, this is the best. Hi. You're pretty gentle. The other one just jumped right on me.
Yeah, let's find the gentle birds for you, the non-climbing birds.
They like the mask loops and the hair clips.
Yeah.
Says not to wear jewelry. I don't have any, but they still found stuff there. You want some more? You're pretty gentle. You know, if you don't want them on you, this is the type of bird that likes. Oh,
That's
hi.
the one that really likes to climb you.
It's just whatever breed.
I pet a bird.
It's the avocado bird.
This breed likes to jump on you.
All right.
Does that mean you don't want anything? Oh, okay.
Get back, woman.
Like
Okay.
a little alarm. You want some? I don't think he wants any. Okay, we're not gonna feed him.
Okay. Whoa.
Are you eating my vest?
Yeah, he likes your zipper.
Oh.
He's investigating your zipper. Oh. Ma'am, you're not allowed to take all the birds. So this is what's up right now. Okay.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. You definitely need a third bird.
I do not. Oh, you have a big one.
You go down with some of the big boys now.
I had fun with the little one.
Yeah.
Aw, you're
That's what you need. The gentle, non-climbing birds.
They were loving, like, eating everything. But it wasn't scary. It's just I didn't know where he was going. He's messed my hair up, too.
I know. Rude bird.
Rude. Aw, I love how they can just crack the shell. Alright, I'll be there in a minute, Carla. Carla, thank you. You want food? No? She just wants to dance.
Yeah. The little white bird was doing a dance back there, too. Wow.
Ready? Let's go.
Dance party D.
You want to dance with me? Yeah. There we go.
Nope.
We're doing like the roll, the body roll.
You're just there for the dance party. Ma'am, we came over here so you would not try to steal the birds. Nope.
I don't care.
Well, if it'll fit in your purse, I guess you can have it. No, no, no.
Hi, what's this one's name?
This apparently is Precious.
Are you actually precious? You are pretty precious.
That's so precious.
I got a bigger one.
Yep.
Don't climb on me.
Oh my gosh, you cannot steal all these birds. This one's name is Baby Major.
Don't hold.
Yeah.
Precious?
Yeah, Precious was.
ate my new sweater like a lot.
Yeah, Precious picked her sweater.
I'm gonna need a new sweater now. I'll fix it. Don't wear something nice.
No, that's true.
There you go. Back up.
Oh, you're a sweetheart. Are you gonna climb me more? Okay. You're really. Oh.
It's like your face looks tasty.
Blowing into false security.
You look like cotton candy.
Yum.
We're going over here now?
All right, so Fluffy and I are like the bird.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, I had several on
I know.
You found a bird named Mojo.
I did, in fact.
All right, you're going in the purse, boy.
No.
We need 2 Mojos.
Hi. Yeah.
Wow.
You talkative. Ollie really likes Fluffy.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here, but
Fluffy, do you need help?
Nah, I'm good.
Aww.
living
He's
his
communicating
pirate
through
life.
interpretive dance.
I do that too.
That is the cutest bird I think I've ever seen.
Aww.
That's some serious food, man.
Yeah.
Dancing with you.
Yeah, dance.
You dance.
Dance, boy.
Woo. Dancing. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah.
He really likes him.
survived the bird feeding zone. I think we're gonna move on to something else cool. Oh, that's a cool looking bird.
Yeah, they don't want to like get on you or anything.
Yeah, go out of your hands, but they're not offended.
Aw, that's pretty.
I know, I didn't see that one before.
So cute. Oh, I was like, uh-oh. I was like, hello. Hello. You are super pretty. Love your coloration. Okay, baby major,
She is petting a bird. You're gonna get in trouble. It's gonna jump right on your head again.
Happy you must be. Yeah,
Nice.
that's all I know. Never seen a kookaburra. Now I have.
Can't say that now.
Bye, baby. You're so sweet.
Okay, Lory Aviary time. Oh my gosh. All right, they've let us come in first and they're giving the others their nectar cups. Look at them birds swarming, getting ready to attack.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's how that worked.
They should follow they'll follow you. Okay.
All right. Excuse me, ma'am, you have some birds.
Oh, they ate it all already. Oh my gosh.
Wow, yep.
Y'all are hungry.
They cleaned you out in like under a minute.
Well, there was like 7 of them. Ah, I don't have any more. Don't bite my face. It's licking me because I'm like taste like it. Okay, I'm done. They ate it all. Honey, look at your child. Ah, he's licking it off my hand.
Oh no.
Oh, AJ. He's licking it off of all of mine because it spilled all over me. Look.
Yum.
It's baby. It's gone.
That was like the shortest lived Lory excitement I can remember. Yeah, you still have one friend.
Oh, she's got some now.
Just held his head.
She's got one on his head.
Really? I hadn't
Okay,
noticed.
this one is licking every surface of my head to get the rest.
So this one.
You are not hungry. Look at his tongue. It's so weird. Okay, you got it all, buddy. I mean, I don't think there's anything left.
Yeah, I know.
This is a smart one.
hair. Don't eat my hair.
Oh, it's eating your hair.
Oh my god.
That was the fastest, like,
Yeah.
eating.
Stop nibbling my hair. Stop nibbling my hair.
So that was like record time. The shortest aviary consuming of food. That's worse.
Went to my arm.
And then he licked every last drop off my hand.
Hungry, yeah.
It's very thorough.
One licked me for like the full time I
Mine
was
too.
in here.
They didn't bite though.
No, no.
Mine was guarded like
you
this.
did.
I had one that like got that parrot.
Let me go feed
Do not touch or feed these birds. The sign says so.
I don't have
Do
any food.
not.
Any food.
You might still smell like nectar. Stop it. All right, wait. No, there's a sign down here. It says Baby Bird Nursery, birds for sale.
Please?
No,
I need like an ollie bird.
no, you really don't.
Not a baby major bird.
No.
First major had problems.
Or precious. Precious
Ah.
ate my shirts.
Honey, no. No birds.
No, no birds. Oh my gosh, we're going to the Baby Bird Nursery. This is danger, y'all. Don't do it. No, stop. No, no. Oh. No. This is not what we need.
How much do you cost?
$5 million.
Nuh-uh.
All right, Fluffy has signed up to buy a scarlet macaw. Yes. This I approve of, because it doesn't come back to our house. Y'all, we in trouble.
Wow, where'd you come from?
Yeah, just watch out for that guy. Apparently these are sweater eaters. I don't think we need any more sweater eaters. Ma'am? You have to watch out.
I know. It's a BB parrot.
Oh no.
No.
It can just make BB holes in your sweater.
This one's trying to figure out how to get on. Oh. I'm trying to hold them over their face.
Ma'am.
Hey.
Oh Lord, do you need help again?
Look at them playing with the sticker.
There we go. Come here, little guy. There we go. There we go.
All right, back into your home.
Or you'll just dangle upside down.
That works too.
Fluffy and I like bird people. Not again. You have like a little line of birds.
Yes. Maybe every time you try to put some down, some more climb on. Watch out! You guys, this is the trap. This is the trap zone.
They're so cute.
Every time I turn around, you have another new bird on you.
You're eating my...
Yeah.
No, don't eat my sweater. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
These birds think your sweater is delicious.
Yeah, here. There you go.
Now we have the gift shop and apparently deli. Cool.
This seems like what we did today.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, and that is the end of Parrot Mountain. They've also got the garden here. We didn't really check out the garden today, but we play with birds.
It was so amazing.
Yes. Well, we have come down here now to the old mill area. We had to park about 100 miles away down here in, I think it's Patriot Park, Patriot Plaza, something with Patriot in it. But anyway, we're walking about, it's a 3-day walk to get to the restaurant, so we'll be there shortly. It is lunchtime. We've got Mike and Robin in tow, who you might remember from our Horizon sailing or Sunshine sailing, but we'll catch up with them here in a hot minute. We got the corn chowder rocking already. I see those corn fritters coming in.
Oh boy.
Oh. No, no. We're going to fight over the fritters. Oh, I see.
Oh,
So this might be the cornbread. Okay, there's your little cornbread muffins. Oh, help me.
Sorry, there's your
Thank you. All right, Robin got a gigantic canteen of vegetable beef soup. I'm not exactly sure what's going on over there, but wow. Anyway, hey, that's a plate. Soup update. I haven't tried it yet.
Really good.
Yeah?
Apparently they make it in like clam juice and ham stock. I can taste
Okay.
clam juice, but it gives it like that extra.
Oh wow, it's French. All right, French soup all
Really
of a
tasty.
sudden.
I enjoy it.
We're gonna eat some stuff now.
Yum.
Oh, Dee is destroying some catfish. All right, that's
portions.
a lot of portions, a lot of sides. And some meatloaf. I know, we're trying not to fill up on these corn fritters so we have room for all this food. We didn't have room for any of that today. How was your meal, Miss Ma'am?
I think that was the best catfish I've ever had.
Ever in your life? Wow, the meatloaf was awesome too. So good food. Anyway, we're getting back in the car now. Gonna spend a good amount of time in the car for a while because I think we're gonna go do the Cades Cove loop. Assuming it's not closed. We checked Twitter. They said the road is still open. So Cades Cove time.